Welcome to Trendy Review, where we make cleaning less of a chore and more of a tech-powered victory. In this video, we're tackling the top 3 best cordless vacuums of 2025, engineered to suck up dirt like a superhero while being lighter, smarter, and tougher than ever. These vacuums pack self-emptying bins, AI-powered suction adjustment, and batteries that outlast your motivation. Whether you're battling pet hair, crumbs, or just life's general messiness, we've tested the best to keep your home spotless without the cord chaos. For more information and update pricing, check the links in the description below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates. Let's get started. Number 3. Shark Stratos Cordless. The Shark Stratos Cordless Vacuum, IZ862H, is a premium stick vacuum designed for powerful, versatile cleaning. It features Clean Sense IQ technology, which uses infrared sensors to detect hidden dirt and automatically adjust suction power, providing up to 50% better dirt pickup compared to its eco mode. The Duo Clean Power Fins Harpo brush roll system combines 2 brush rolls to deep clean carpets and engage hard floors, effectively removing dirt, debris, and hair in every pass. Additionally, the vacuum includes an odor neutralizer to eliminate bad odors from debris, leaving your home smelling fresh. The multi-fluid wand allows for easy cleaning under furniture and compact storage. With a runtime of up to 60 minutes on eco mode and a 3-hour recharge time, the Stratos offers convenience and efficiency for various cleaning tasks. While the Shark Stratos cordless vacuum excels in performance and features, it's important to note some considerations. The vacuum's weight, at approximately 8.8 pounds, may be cumbersome for some users, especially when cleaning stairs or lifting the vacuum frequently. Additionally, the dustbin capacity is 0.72 quarts, which may require more frequent emptying during extensive cleaning sessions. Some users have reported that the battery life may not always reach the advertised 60 minutes, depending on the cleaning mode and surface type. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Stratos remains a top contender in the cordless vacuum market, offering advanced features and powerful cleaning capabilities for those seeking a high-performance vacuum solution. Number 2. Dream R20 Cordless Vacuum. The Dream R20 Cordless Vacuum is a feature-rich stick vacuum that offers impressive performance at a competitive price point. It boasts a powerful 190 AW suction, thanks to its 150,000 RPM brushless motor, making it effective at picking up dirt, debris, and pet hair from various surfaces. The vacuum is equipped with LED optic technology, illuminating dust and debris that may not be readily visible, ensuring a more thorough cleaning. Its intelligent dirt detection automatically adjusts suction power based on the amount of dust detected, optimizing cleaning efficiency. With a runtime of up to 90 minutes on a single charge, the R20 provides ample time to clean large areas without frequent recharging. The vacuum is also designed with a 99.9% filtration efficiency, capturing fine dust and particles, which is beneficial for allergy sufferers. While the Dream R20 excels in many areas, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. The vacuum's dustbin capacity is 0.6 liters, which may require more frequent emptying during extensive cleaning sessions. Additionally, some users have reported that the battery life may not always reach the advertised 90 minutes, depending on the cleaning mode and surface type. The vacuum's trigger and bin emptying mechanism may also be less convenient compared to some other models. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Dream R20 remains a strong contender in the cordless vacuum market, offering powerful suction, intelligent features, and a competitive. Number 1. Dyson V15 Detect. The Dyson V15 Detect is one of the most powerful cordless vacuums you can buy right now. It features Dyson's advanced digital motor that delivers up to 230 air watts of suction, making it strong enough to tackle dirt, dust, pet hair, and debris from carpets, hard floors, and upholstery. What makes this vacuum stand out is its laser dust detection feature, which uses a built-in green laser on the cleaner head to reveal tiny dust particles you wouldn't normally see. It also has a piezo sensor that counts the particles as you clean and automatically boosts suction when it detects more dirt, offering efficient, customized cleaning in real time. In daily use, the V15 Detect offers up to 60 minutes of runtime on a full charge, and the battery is removable, so you can swap it out for longer cleaning sessions. The 0.76-liter dust bin is easy to empty with a hygienic push mechanism. The vacuum also comes with a HEPA filter, capturing 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, making it a good choice for allergy sufferers. It's a little heavier than other stick vacuums, weighing around 6.8 pounds, but it's still easy to maneuver around the house. Overall, the Dyson V15 Detect is an excellent option for anyone looking for premium cordless vacuum performance, smart features, and a deep, visible clean. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below. If you want to stay connected, follow me on mentioned social media handles. See you in the next video. Stay creative, stay inspired.